time for stage 3. Stage 3, stage 3, stage 3. Welcome back to stage 3. In this video I'll be making the speakers to fit inside the housing of which I made in stage 1. So you haven't seen stage 1, go back and watch stage 1 because all the others will actually make sense. So I'll see you then. Bye. Go and look at the camera when you're walking away. Right, so stage 3 is now completed. I must admit, I really did enjoy doing this project because I've never actually done a speaker housing like that before. I've enjoyed it, I think it's great. Obviously I get to do my living room up at the same time. I hope you like the series so far. If you do, give us a big thumbs up and stay tuned for the next episode, which will be to decorate. Within that video, I'll be obviously filling all the nooks and crannies, all the bits and pieces which I've never done in stage 2. I'll be rubbing down the unit behind me, sorting out the skirting and other bits and pieces. So please stay tuned, give us a like and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in stage 4.